Yeah, we're ready! What? Ready to rock and roll!
Come on.
What the fuck you bumping into me, bitch? What the fuck you bumping into me, bitch? You fucking dickhead!
It's alright. You get that fucking team.
Right, we've got Rosie's
Ah?
closed. Mango nightclub.
Bro, you were going fucking left and right last time. Fucking, I was watching you behind. When you were fucking drunk on Saturday. Bro, I was watching you behind. You. I was like, fuck.
No, the thing is, I can't see well at night. That's
No fucking shit, man. Where are we going first?
skid spot.
We're going skid spot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I fucking knew it. I cannot do that shit. Dickhead fucking roads.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Pull over somewhere.
No.
Yes.
Fuck your shit.
Man, fuck you. Pull fucking over. Pull over.
No.
Man's got a GoPro on his fucking hood.
Oh, you undercut! Ah!
Yes.
I undercut! Fuck! Don't fucking bump into me! Dickhead! Fuck you, bitch! Dick.
Shut the fuck up, you little slag, bro.
What the?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, baby!
Come on. Come on. No, look. Oh, it pulls on it.
What the fuck is that? Shakiness. Yeah, baby! But that ass, I'm gonna be on the fucking hood while you're drifting.
Bro, you're gonna fly off.
Try me, bitch.
You will fly off.
I'll fuck you.
If I fly, man. I can't fucking drift this shit. It cuts as well. Cuts like crazy. Bruh.
Is that why you're so slow?
Welcome to Tokyo.
That's- my fucking.
Fucking hell, steamy.
Bro, my fucking ears. Oh my god.
One fucking everywhere.
Oh my fucking god.
I was fucking glad.
I know. I was like, oh shit.
I thought you was going on the body. I thought at that point,
got on the body
at
then,
that point,
eh?
I was like, fuck it. If I run him over, you better catch on to that. Fucking
I was gonna go into actually do this.
Yeah, I know, fucking stinking hot.
No shit.
Was that your old ones last time?
Pretty much.
Some of them, yeah. Some of them are, yeah.
Some of them.
Fucking made the cameras turn off.
Goodness Lord. Bro. What? Fucking don't fucking kill me.
Try.
Bro, I will still move. I'm gonna still move like catch more stuff. Go on. Bro, I'm dizzy. Are you ready? Are you fucking ready, baby? Ah, this is gonna be fun. Hold on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby girl. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is gonna be casino, yeah? Yeah.
Casino.
What the fuck are you doing? Get the fuck up. Bro, you fucking scared the shit out of me, man. The fuck?
Yeah, boy.
You crazy.